Welcome back to LACOM, the award-winning podcast, the podcast that interviews the most exciting graphics and ideas coming out of Lexington, Kentucky. Brought to you by Motor Minds Info, your ultimate destinations. We cover it all. If you're passionate about cars, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving deep into Ferrari's latest masterpiece for 2025. As one of the most iconic names in the automotive industry, Ferrari has once again redefined what it means to push boundaries, blending performance, technology, and elegance into their newest creation. Let's start with the big news. Ferrari is set to officially release its 2025 models in the latter half of the year. Speculation is pointing to a launch event in September, which aligns perfectly with Ferrari's tradition of unveiling groundbreaking vehicles just before the holiday season. One of the most anticipated cars for 2025 is the successor to the 812 Superfast. Rumors suggest it will feature a naturally aspirated V12 engine, a hallmark of Ferrari's engineering, but with added hybrid assistance. That's right, Ferrari is moving deeper into hybrid technology, ensuring they stay ahead of both performance and environmental standards. With a reported horsepower of over 1,000, this car will be a true beast on the road and track. In terms of design, Ferrari has teased an evolution in their signature aesthetics. Expect sharper lines, enhanced aerodynamics, and advanced lightweight materials that improve both speed and fuel efficiency. Spy shots reveal a sleeker, more aggressive front end and a redesigned rear spoiler that screams performance. Now let's talk about price, because owning a Ferrari is more than just buying a car. It's owning a piece of art. The 2025 model lineup is expected to start at $250,000 for entry-level models, with the high-performance variants easily crossing the $400,000 mark. Customization, of course, will add to the price, but Ferrari enthusiasts know that tailoring their car to their exact preferences is worth every penny. Technology is another key focus. Ferrari's 2025 lineup is rumored to feature an advanced AI-driven driver assistance system, providing a seamless blend of luxury and safety. This system is designed to enhance the driving experience without taking away the thrill. Expect an improved infotainment system, augmented reality displays, and a fully digital cockpit. For those interested in sustainability, Ferrari is also rolling out its first all-electric hypercar in 2025. Although details are under wraps, it's rumored to offer over 500 miles of range and acceleration that rivals even their V12-powered models. This marks a bold step forward for the brand, ensuring they remain relevant in an era of increasing electrification. Ferrari's 2025 models will be available for pre-order shortly after the official announcement, so keep an eye on their website and authorized dealers for updates. If history is any indication, these cars will sell out quickly. That's all for today's deep dive into Ferrari's 2025 lineup. What do you think about Ferrari's latest innovations? Are you excited about the hybrid and electric additions, or are you sticking to the classic V12s? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Motor Minds on the hottest cars and automotive trends. Until next time, drive safe, stay passionate, and keep dreaming big. See you in the next video.